All right, first grade, we're reviewing page 2 of our second science assessment that is inside of your packet. Remember, we're just focusing on those critical thinking skills, and I'm just um, getting you accustomed to test taking. So let's look at the second page of our assessment. All right, so this is our second page on our assessment. And number 6, name one thing that makes a loud sound. So in this particular task on our assessment, I need you to put on your thinking cap and I want you to think of all of the things that we said make sounds. And I want you to identify one of those things that makes a loud sound. So it could be something like thunder, it can be fireworks, it can be a siren that's on a fire engine. There are so many things that make a loud sound, even someone yelling, okay? Number 7, name one thing that makes a quiet sound, something that's not really loud, something that's quiet. It could be something quiet like someone sitting down reading a book, because usually when you are reading a book to yourself, you're in a nice quiet space and you are quiet. It could be something that's soft, a like a mouse. Mice don't make loud sounds; they're very quiet and sneaky. It could be um, someone sleeping. So get creative and think of something that makes quiet sounds. All right. Number 8, name one thing that is not an emergency sound. So remember, our ears are trained to hear and to detect when something is an emergency by certain sounds that are made. So what's something that wouldn't be an emergency sound? Something that's not an emergency sound. It might be um, someone that is closing a book. Closing a book isn't an emergency. It's just someone doing something that lets us know that they're finished reading the book or they're interested in another book. Something that's not an emergency sound could be um, someone singing. You know, sounds are coming out of someone's vocal cords and just singing a song. Those are some things that are not emergency sounds, okay? And number 9, name 2 things that are an emergency sound. So, what do you hear when there's an emergency? It could be a siren, it could be someone honking their horn, um, it could be the police car, the siren on the police car. The fire alarm may go off. You know, at school, we have certain sounds that we have to train our ears to hear that will let us know that there is an emergency. Okay. So I want you to think of those things. So all of those are short answer questions where you have to think about and apply what we have learned and all the information about sound, and you have to let me know what you're able to write about to let me know that you understand sound and the different types of sounds that we hear. All right. So that's what I want you to do for number 6 through 10. And number 9, we counted 9 and 10 since it's worth 2 answers. So I want you to continue to explore sound, and there will be some videos posted for you on how you can make your own things that make sound. All right. All right.